Good morning, students. Today we start our chapter 14 Birds in the Sky. Birds are our special feathered friends. They are the only animals which can fly in the sky. The bird's body consists of the head, trunk, tail, wings, legs, and claws. Birds have amazing features which help them to fly. They are wings to fly and streamlined body to cut through air easily. Light and hollow bones which reduce the body weight. Tail to change directions while flying. Look at the picture, students. It is a body structure of a bird. At first, crown, neck, back, tail, wing, feet, legs, belly, breast, and beak. Feathers. Birds are the only animals which have feathers. The feathers are non-living parts of their body. Old feathers fall down and new ones take their place. This process is called molting. Feathers are of three types. Down feathers. They are small and soft feathers to keep the body warm. Body feathers. They cover the body and give it shape. And next, flight feathers. They cover the wings and tail and help to fly and change directions. Flying in birds. Mostly all birds fly in the sky. Birds which fly long distances are swallows, geese, and cranes. Birds which fly short distances are hen and peacocks. Eagles and vultures can fly high in the sky. Bulbuls and sparrows cannot fly high. They fly close to the ground. Knowledge time. A bird cleans its feathers with its beak. This process is called preening. The birds breathe faster than us. Their body temperature is also higher than us. The process of egg breaking and baby bird coming out of it is called hatching. Flightless birds are big in size and heavy in weight. They cannot fly at all. They are called flightless birds. For example, emu, kiwi, penguin, and ostrich. Beaks of birds. Birds have no teeth. They use their beaks to eat food. A beak is a hard, horny structure on the bird's face. They use their beaks to collect food and nesting materials to feed their young ones and protect themselves. A strong and hooked beak of a parrot helps it to crack and eat nuts and hard fruits. Short, hard, and horny beaks of sparrows and pigeons help them to eat grains and seeds. A broad and flat beak of a duck helps it to dig mud in a pond to find worms. Strong, sharp, and hooked beaks of eagles and vultures helps them to tear flesh easily. A strong chisel-shaped beak of a woodpecker helps it to make holes in tree trunks to catch insects. That's enough for today, students. Thank you. Be safe at home.